In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery. Then scroll all the way down to hit more settings and click on performance mode at the top. Following that, select high performance mode and to switch it on, hit turn on in the pop-up. As you can see, high performance is now on. To turn it off, tap on any other one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!